In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a sheet bundle using a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Okay, first I'm going to disassemble what I got already. And I'm going to set it aside. We're going to start out with the fitted sheet. So what you do is, this is actually a twin bed sheet, but it will work for all sizes. So lay the fitted sheet down with the right side facing away from you. And this way the fitted sheet is up, the wrong side's up on you. So with this, it makes it easier to find your corners. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the right side of the bed sheet and attempt to find corners where they're sewed together. So I found one, and then I'm going to come around and I'm going to find the other one. It's kind of hard to see it in this, but here goes the other one. Okay, so I have two. So I put those two together. So one here and one there. And I'm just going to set it aside and lay it face down. Just lay it down and you'll come back to that in a minute. So I'm going to go on the other side of the sheet. And I'm going to do the same thing I found. I found a corner sewed. So that means the other corner is over on this side. And it might take a minute to find it. So we'll just go around until you find the sewed piece. Okay, well, it might take a minute, but sometimes they do it so well you can't really see it. There it is. Okay, so I have a corner sewed and a corner sewed. See that? Now you're going to place them together. Wrong sides placed together. So you have it like that. Okay, there's the corner sewed right there. Now I'm going to come back over here with my other hand, because I'm holding this with my left hand, and I got my two corners sewed together in both my hands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake the sheet out a little bit. Okay, now take the left and the right and join your two thumbs together, because those are the two corners that are sewed together. Now grab this open piece here, the end, pull it up and shake it out. Okay, now lay it down. You're going to have the open ends at the top. You're going to have what looks like a rounded section. It goes a little bit rounded, and it's going to be straight on the left side. Okay, so now you're going to take the rounded section on your right hand side and pull it in about 1/3 of the way. Okay, so you pulled it in 1/3 of the way. Now you're going to take the other side and pull it all the way over until it comes directly over, lining up, and then it looks like this. So you still have the open ends here that are sewed together with the elastic band, and then the other side doesn't have the elastic band. Okay, so now it's looking kind of straight, right? So now what you're going to do is put the open ends with the elastic band on the top, and from the bottom I need you to fold in the bottom about to the halfway mark, which is 1/3 up. And then you can pull the part with the band and elastic, you can pull it, set it down, and place that other section of the towel, of the sheet, line it up with the side right here. I say towel because it's similar to folding towels. So there goes our fitted sheet. Now our flat sheet, all you're going to do is you're going to take the top of the sheet and you're going to hold the corners together by folding it in half vertically. Okay? So you're going to have to stand up and shake that sheet out, straighten it out a little bit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our hand and kind of jostle it down to where when you get down to the floor with the sheet, you are actually folding it in half. So when it looks like it's like folded in half, shake it out a little bit more, and then you're going to lay it flat. Because what you're going to do now is you can do it on a bed, a flat surface, or you can do it standing up. Okay? So what I'm going to do is standing up. And what I do is I take my chin and I put it in the center, and I take both ends of this. The open ends are at the bottom, closed ends are at the top. Take my chin, put it in the center, and bring the corners together. And once again, you're folding your bed sheet vertically the long way. Okay? Now, what I want to do is I'm going to lay that bed sheet up on a flat surface, bed or something. And then you're going to take the end you're still holding and you're going to bring it to the other end. So you're folding your sheet in half. And then you can fold it into thirds by folding the bottom to the center and the top over to where it lines up with the bed sheet. And you can even fold it in half that way if you choose. Okay, so now we're done with that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our bed sheet, our bed pillowcases, and we're going to lay them on top of each other. I have 2 pillowcases here, and all I did was lay them on top of each other. Lay them flat. Now bring each corner at the bottom, because you got your pillowcases horizontal. So take the left bottom corner of each one and bring it up to about a third of the way up. Okay, you're going to take your sheet bundle set. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the left side and pull it to where it goes all the way over the bed sheet. And then you're going to wrap. It's more like it'd be better off making it half and half. So just set the bed sheet and the fitted sheet in the center, pull over one side, and then pull over the other. So that way it's kind of like a third fold. And then to place it on a shelf, all you do is just flip it and turn it over, and that's what it looks like.